Hi students, hope all of you have enjoyed the Christmas vacation. Now let us start today's class. So before that, in the previous class we have completed our 6th chapter name My Malayalam. In today's class we are going to start the new chapter 7, and we are using an application called J Fractions Lab. This application is similar to our fraction matcher. We are doing some mathematical calculations in this chapter using this application. So today we will be studying how to open J Fractions Lab, how to change the language from Malayalam to English, how to do calculations in J Fractions Lab like comparing fractions, adding fractions and all. So today we will study only an introduction about J Fractions Lab, and in the next class we will be going in detail of J Fractions Lab. So let us start. The first topic, how to open J Fractions Lab. At the top left corner you can see applications. Click on applications, and inside that you can see education. Inside education you can see here J Fraction Lab. Okay, so once again I will show once more. First you have to click on application, then education, then you have to click on J Fractions Lab. J Fraction Lab. So as I told you earlier, this is a mathematical calculation software. To do some mathematical calculations like comparing fractions, finding LCM, adding fractions, etc. So you may be already studied these topics, fractions, in your mathematics class. Okay students, so I'm going to click on J Fraction Lab. So at the beginning you can see it is in Malayalam. So this is our second topic, that we need to convert the language from Malayalam to English. So at the top left corner you can see an option called language. Can you see here? Click on that and you have to select the language English. Okay students, now it is in English. If you want to change again to Malayalam, click on language and you can choose Malayalam. Okay, now we are going to select it as English and select English. Now there are so many games here like fraction matcher. So there are total 15 games. Okay, so in our syllabus we are having only 2 games. The third one, comparing fractions, and the 10th one, adding fractions. So I repeat, in our syllabus we are only having the third one, comparing fraction and adding fraction. So today we will study this topic also, that is comparing fractions. So they will give a tip here. You just read out this. You just need the mouse, just click greater than or equal to or less than. Okay, so I'll show it here. You just click OK button here. So you can see the picture here. This is, from this picture you know that this is 5 by 7, right? because 5 portions are shaded in yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and total we are having 7 parts. So the fraction is 5 by 7. Here you can see there are 8 parts total, and it is yellow shaded with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you have to tell that which one is greater. If this one is greater than this one, you can choose this symbol. This is greater than symbol, right? If this fraction is equal to this fraction, then you can click on this button, equal to button. If this fraction is less than this fraction, then you can choose or click on this symbol. This is less than symbol. Okay, so I repeat once more. If this fraction is greater than this fraction, then you can choose greater than symbol. That is, if 5 by 7 is greater than 5 by 8, then you can click on greater than. If 5 by 7 is equal to 5 by 8, then you can click equal to. If 5 by 7 is less than 5 by 8, then you can click on the third button, less than. Okay, so totally there are 3 symbols: greater than, equal to, and less than. Now we can play this game. Okay, so tell me, 5 by 7 is greater than 5 by 8. Is it right? Please tell me, my dear student. Yes, 5 by 7 is greater than 5 by 8. So you just click on this greater than. So at the bottom you can see that is correct, and you got 1 point here. Can you see here 1 point? To play the next one, you just click on continue button. Now there is another fraction, 3 by 6 and 3 by 7. So here which one is greater? Please tell me, my dear student. Think about it. Yes, 3 by 6 is greater than 3 by 7. We know that. So click on greater than button. So here it is also, that is correct, is written here. And here you can see there are 1 more point is added, 2 points. For continuing the game, click on continue button. From here, which one is the greatest fraction? 8 by 10 or 1 by 10? Tell me, 8 by 10 or 1 by 10? Which one is the greatest? So 8 by 10 is greater than 1 by 10. So 1 more point is added here, 3 points. If you want to continue the game, click on continue. Tell me, 2 by 3 is less than or greater than 2 by 4? It is greater, right? 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 4. So here also 1 more point is added. Now check this one, 10 by 10, and here also 10 by 10. So whether it is greater than, equal to, or less than, we all now know that this is equal to. 10 by 10 is equal to 10 by 10. So you click on equal to button. So here you can see that is correct, and 1 more point is added. Check this fraction, 3 by 7 and here 2 by 7. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? Yes, 3 by 7. So that is correct, and 1 more point is added. So likewise, you can continue the game, and if you have completed the game, then you can click on a button called here end button. End button. Okay, so click on this end button. So this is how we are playing a game. Here you can see the score here. Straight to this you can see the score here, 6 score. 6 point you have achieved. Okay, so I have just given an introduction only. So how to open the software? In the next class we will go in detail about this game. This is very simple game. So we are having only the third one, comparing fraction and adding fraction. So once again I will show you how to open the software. Go to application, education, and select JFractions lab. And first it will be in Malayalam, so you have to choose language and click on English. And here we are having only the third game, comparing fraction, and 10th game, adding fraction. So these two activities I will show once more in the next class. And in comparing fractions you have to choose this greater than, equal to, or less than. That is the button we need to click to play the game. Don't worry, I will explain more in the next class. And if you want to continue the game, you can click on continue button. If you want to end the game, stop the game, you can click on end button. And here you can see the points, the score of the game. Okay students, so I have given an introduction. Study this much very well.